It's very excited and it's going very well. So I learned, in a day one itself, I can able to learn a lot, and I can picture myself where I am, and the transformation is happening. I didn't expect this transformation will start in a day one itself, and day two is going with the activities and activity through learnings, and yeah, it's interesting and it's going well. I have never heard about the. I know the term servant leadership, but I never, know all the philosophy before. But when I came to this workshop, I realized that most of the philosophies we are already practicing in our day-to-day life. That too, that is aligned with our UST core values, and it is already aligned with our UST core values, right? So we are unknowingly practicing that, but when it comes to workshop, we realize that we are going in a right direction. So UST is always, taking us in the right direction. So this self-realization has happened, and the servant leadership is, the practices are, knowing all the attributes and the techniques and the frameworks, and all is very excited, and I think it will mold us to, transform us from the a normal leader to servant leadership. So yeah, it definitely will work, and the framework what it talks about is doable, achievable. So every individual in our organization should be follow these attributes that will definitely transform their personal life, as well as that will and result in helping organization to also grow. Of course, I will definitely tell my team to participate, but immediately I will go and explain whatever I learned to my team first to influence them, and then definitely I look forward everybody trying to participate in the upcoming sessions.